name's Caitlin.
I'm Zach, and I'm sick.
He doesn't have coronavirus, don't worry. Today we are in Glasgow, Scotland, and we're doing an excursion. So let's take you along with us. This is what our ticket looks like. It's for Easy Lochs, Easy Scottish Loch. It says the drive to Lochs is approximately 1 hour. The scenic route is approximately 2 hours, and to meet in the dining room at 12:30 p.m. It's about 11. So we're gonna go get something to drink, and then we're going to wait until we can meet, because you don't get there early. 95% of the people come at the last minute, and they all try to rush onto the cruise bus, the shuttle bus. Sorry, I don't know what I was saying.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way.
So all aboard today is 5:30, and our excursion ends at 5. So we're supposed to meet in the Symphony dining room at 12:30. We went to the buffet and got some drinks because we had some time to kill. It's about 11:45 now, and they haven't let anybody inside the room yet. So we're just sitting here waiting.
How many people?
Four?
One.
Thank you. So that's pretty much the process of getting your sticker for an excursion. You wait, and then you come in and you get your sticker, and then you sit and you wait, and then they call you. Thank you. Woo! We're in the motherland. It's pouring the rain down, so sorry if the audio quality is a little bad, but we're here. Greenock, and then we're taking our excursion to, I believe it's Loch Lomond. Yeah, Loch Lomond. It takes about an hour or 2 hours if it's on the scenic route. So just keep that in mind. There's also no restrooms on the buses, so also keep that in mind. We made it to our coach. Got a good seat. 5 rows back. Normally 4. 5 is fine. There's a volcano over there. So when you get off your bus, they have toilets over there, but I believe he said you have to pay. How much did he say you have to pay?
50 points.
50 points to use the restroom.
Okay, if you're coming with me, we'll start walking slowly.
Now he's going to take us to the pier and see Loch. That's what we booked this tour for, so that's what we're doing. It's a rainy one, but a good one.
So this is Loch Lomond here. The famous mountain Ben Lomond is just behind that mound there. It is. How high is it? It's over 1,000 feet.
Look how beautiful it is. I mean, I know we have lakes at home, but like, it's just different. You're in Scotland. Unfortunately, we don't get to go to Loch Ness. No Loch Ness monster for us today. So here is the cruise prices from April to September.
And to this day, I didn't know Loch meant lake. So.
Yeah.
Here are the 90-minute different tours you can do. You can pause the screen if you want to read it more. Now we're going to head back to the little village that we just came from. I wanted to see the loch on the pier. And that's what we did. Zach, are you coming? Okay. Here is the prices for Loch Lomond tours. We're going to take a look in this Highland Arts Loch, our last Loch Lomond gift shop. So here are the towels. They're about $8.99. I don't know how, but somehow my pants have just gotten soaked. I don't understand how, but did it. We got a few things at that shop. Only had a few things, but that's okay. Enough for us. This is a cute little village and cottage. I think we had about 30 minutes here. We have about 10 left to stay there. It's pouring it down. By the time you go down to the loch, stop for gifts or souvenirs, and then get back to the bus. That's about enough time. that. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but look at that. Just beautiful. We had about 5 minutes here. That's all we needed. We didn't even use the full 5 minutes. Sleeting. It's beautiful though.
Left-hand side is a small passenger cabin with toilets towards the front of the ferry. There is a viewing platform up to the left-hand side where that man is standing just now. If you are wanting to go out for a look, please don't stand at the front of the ferry as the waves can come on quite high.
So we're riding the ferry, but we're still on the bus. You can get out if you want to. Oh, well, you can see that. I think they said it would take 15 minutes. About 15 minutes. So that was about 30 minutes. It's 4:53 now. So we're driving to the port, and then we're gonna go through security and we'll be there. So, pretty simple and pretty easy. Now that the weather is lightening up, we're going back on the ship. We'll give a full review of the tour once we get back. Friendly reminder, take the steps to avoid the crowds. So we just got back from the Easy Scottish Lochs tour. What did you think?
It's okay. It's rainy, so you can't really see anything.
Yeah, I mean, they said that
Okay.
the second stop where we were on top of the mountain, they said that was clearer than the earlier this morning, so we got lucky in that sense. I feel like if you're an outdoorsy person, this would probably be the excursion for you, where you're wanting something light on your feet, but still wanting to see Scotland and see some loch. This would be a great option for you. However, if you do not like outdoorsy nature type of person and you just want to see cities, probably not the best excursion. It was affordable though, so you can't really complain. And our tour guide was great, so was our driver, Jimmy. I forget what the tour guide's name was.
Oh, Can't Scott for Scotland.
Oh yeah, Scott for Scotland. They were both really good.